Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we will be doing data interpretation, that is DI. Hello Akshaya, hi Krish, hello Aryant, hi Creative Satya. So today is day 6, as we have already done the session for 5 days, and this day 6 is of IBPS Clerk Pre Crash Course Series. So today is day 6 and we will be doing DI, and on the first DI we did a table DI and a bar graph DI, which was very easy type. So in this we will be doing 2 DI again, that will be caselet type and let me write again clearly. So these DIs will be one from caselet type and the other will be from pie chart. Here we have double pie chart, so that if the degree pie chart comes, you are comfortable with that, and if the percentage pie chart comes, even you are comfortable with that. As in this double pie chart, there are 2 pie chart, one with degree and other with percentage. You need to solve them and get the answer. So again, in this quiz we will have 10 questions, 5 from each, that is 5 from caselet type and 5 from pie chart DI. And to join this quiz, where do you need to come is cracku.in/live. Hi Jiga, hi Reshmi, hi Mansi. Everyone join here to cracku.in/live to take part in the quiz, as if you are among the top 3% in the leaderboard, you will be eligible for the winner's hamper, and that is IBPS mock test series. And this mock test series will have 25 mock tests, both in हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. तो अगर आप हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हो, आप हिंदी में दीजिएगा, और आई विल गो विथ इंग्लिश. And to solve this DIs, you will be given 7-minute time, the initial 2 minutes, so that you can solve the DI, extract the data, or whatever is important you can do that, and the other 5 minutes you can take it like one question, 1 minute. There are 5 questions, one set of DI, it has 5 questions. For each question you will be given 1 minute to solve them, or else you can utilize the time according to you, whatever you want. In the examination, if you practice this, these are not very difficult, they are easy to moderate, rather on an easier side, these 2 DIs, so that you can score 5 marks in just 2 minutes. Hi Mahesh, chalo I will clear everything and I will just write important things here now. Today is day 6 of IBPS Crash Course series. In this day 6, we will be doing 2 DIs, that is one is caselet type and other is pie chart type, with 5 questions each. So the total question in the quiz will be 10, and to join the quiz or else to participate, you can come to cracku.in/live. Just join here to take part in the quiz, as if you are among the top 3 people in the leaderboard, you will be eligible to win IBPS mock test series. This series will have 25 mock tests, both in Hindi and English. as your preference. Hello Gautam. Would 7 minute do? K is saying is 7 minute okay. Yes, 7 minute is a lot of time in exam. For 35 question you get 20 minutes. So, for these kind of DI set you just need 2 minutes to solve them, so that you can score 5 marks in 2 minutes. In prelims the questions are not so lengthy and not so calculative. All the numbers are given so that it get cancelled out or multiplied very easily. So, the questions are solved very easily. So, if on the exam side if you are seeing 2 to 3 minutes is maximum for a DI set, and here for practice purpose you can take 7 minutes. Chalo, let's start. Sai Prasad says interesting topic, interesting and scoring topic. Yes, if you are good at it, it's definitely scoring, and rather it's scoring for everyone. So, everyone have joined the site cracku.in/live. Shall we start? Okay, the first set I am posting it now. This is a caselet DI. See, read the given information, take the data, extract it. In this 2DI we will learn two different approach to solve a data interpretation question. What are the two different approach? In this question you need to first get the data and then you can solve all the 5 questions very easily. This is something that you do in puzzles, in reasoning. Once you get the chart ready, all the questions are very easy to be solved. Similarly, here once you get the data extracted, all the questions will be very easily solved. Anyone joining new can come to cracku.in/live. Okay, one person got this correct. Come on, Akshaya and Resmi. Okay, one person got this correct and one wrong. Read the data, the first line and the last line. If you get the first line and the last line, you will get the entire thing. Okay, 3 people got this wrong. Two minutes are already up. Come on. Okay, Ankit Raj is getting it correct and wrong, maybe that's why he's getting a negative marking, but it's okay, yeah, at least trying and you'll get this definitely. Okay, 3 people got this correct. Still there is 3 minutes 30 seconds left and 5 questions. If you are taking even 5 minutes to get the data extracted, you can do that and solve the rest of the question in 2 minutes, as the questions are very easy. It is just like adding two things or getting the ratio of something. or just getting the percentage with respect to something. Here we go, we have few people here now attempting the questions at least. The third question says, find the sum of female junior teacher in GD Goenka and Nirmala together. It is just addition, you need to find the sum, but for this, first you need to know the data. See, many times what happens, we are very scared of cashless DI, like, oh my god, I don't know this, how to do this, I find it very difficult. No, you just read the data. Cashless DIs are generally very easy, you just need to see the data and analyze them, you will know. And even all the DI questions, they are generally very easy, you just need to see them, get the data, get it separated, it is given in a complex form, a little complex form, get it simplified and you will get the answer. Okay, last 2 minutes are there now. They are the top 7 people in the leaderboard, as you can see in the screen. Four people got this correct and 1 wrong. Sorry, 4 people got this wrong and 1 correct. Okay, now I can see the name in the leaderboard or scoreboard changing. Aryant has 3 correct answer or scored 3. Then comes Sai Prasad with 2.5 and KA with the same score 2.5. Then Akshaya with score 2 and then Ankit Raj with 1.25 and Yash with 1. Okay, there's Pooja who is now up. The final minute, or you can say last 45 seconds. Five questions, 7 minutes. You can say this is in a moderate side, more of a easy to moderate, not proper moderate, but on a moderate side. 3 people got this correct and 4 wrong. Last 10 seconds. Aryant is with perfect 5 score and then Akshaya 3. It requires 5 to 10 minutes, that's why a 7-minute time is given. And the timer is off. With this, we have Aryant with perfect 5 score, then Akshaya with score 4 and then Sai Prasad and KA with the same score and even Pooja with the same score and then Yash and Ankit with 1.5 and 1.25 respectively. So, let us see how do we solve this. Chalo, I will hide this leaderboard for a while. Okay, what is the question saying? It says, let us go to the question 1 first, we will do it one by one. The question says, read the following, the instruction, read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. Okay. There are 3 schools, namely, what are the schools? They are DPS, GD Goenka, I am just writing GD, and the other is Nirmala, whose total teachers are in the ratio 7:6:9. So, what you can do is, let us take the ratio. I am just doing it step by step to be 7x, 6x and 9x. So, for DPS it is 7x, 6x and 9x. Okay. Then it is saying the ratio of senior teachers to junior teachers. That means they have divided the teachers into two sections. Let's say the senior teachers and the junior teachers, again the senior teachers and the junior teachers, similarly here the senior teacher and the junior teacher. Okay. So, the senior teacher in DPS, GD and Nirmala, it is 25%, 33.33% and 40% respectively, and the number of female junior teachers in the schools are 50%, 33.33% and 30% respectively. The number of teachers in DPS is 2800. So, we know 7x is equals to 2800. This data is provided in the last. So, from the last line and the first line, we know the value of x to be 400. So, this is given, it is 2800. 400, that is the value of x, into 6 is 2400, and again 9 into 400 is 3600. So, we got the total number of people here, that is total number of teachers. Let me write it clearly here, so that we can make this chart clear. This is 2800, this is 2400 and this is 3600. This information we got it from the last line and the first line. Okay. Now, we have the section and the teachers are also divided into female and male. So, we can do this here, female and male, again the same thing, female and male, and similarly for this and these two. What is this? Female, male, female, male, female, male and female and male. I am just making this chart so you can get a clear information that where is the data and what things are needed. So, we know the numbers here, the total number of teacher in each school. The other thing is given is the ratio of senior teachers to junior teacher are 3:7. So, 3:7 for DPS, 3:5 for GD Goenka and 4:5 for Nirmala. So, if it is 3:5, can we say 3 plus 7 is 10. So, 1 unit is equals to 280. Okay. So, if 1 unit is equals to 280, then 3 units is equals to 280 into 3. What is that? It is 840. And again then 7 unit is equals to, either you can do 7 into 280 or you can just subtract this number and this number, you will get this number as 800, 800, 2000 minus 40 is 1960. For GD Goenka, the ratio is 3:5, again 3 plus 5 is 8. So, 1 unit is equals to 300. So, 3 3s are 900, and for junior it is, junior teachers it is 1500, just subtract this, get the 7 unit, get the 5 unit. The other ratio is 4:5 for Nirmala. So, again 4 plus 5 is 9. What are we doing is, we are dividing this, that 9 by this. If you divide it, what you get? 400. So, what is the unit? 4 4s are 16, that is 1600, and 4 5s are 20. Either you multiply or just subtract them, you will get this. So, now we know senior teachers, junior teachers, senior teachers, junior teachers respectively. We know the data or the number of teachers, that is senior teachers and junior teachers for all the schools. Other task is given here to do is find the male and female, that is female and male. So, what is the information? See this line. The number of female senior teachers in school DPS, GD Goenka and Nirmala is 25%, 33.33% and 40%. So, first DPS it is 25%. So, female is 25%. What is 25%? 25% is 1/4. So, what is 1/4 of 840? It is simple 110. Now, when you subtract this, what do you get is this. Now, female senior teacher for GD Goenka, it is 33.33%. Now, what is 33.33%? It is again 33.33% is equals to 1/3. We all know this. So, 1/3 of senior GD Goenka senior teacher is 1/3 of 900. 300, remaining is 600. I am just subtracting this. If there are only male and female teachers, you know the female teachers, you know the total number, you subtract them, you will get the male teachers. That's simple. Now, for it is 40% for Nirmala. So, 40% of senior teachers, not the junior, but senior female teacher. So, what is this? 40% of this, you go it 800, come back, that is minus 160, what you get is 640. So, if this is 640, what is this? This is 960. We got the data for both female and male for senior teachers. Similarly, we will get the same thing for the junior teachers. As female junior teacher is given for DPS, GD Goenka and Nirmala, female junior teacher in DPS is 50%. So, 50% of this is 980. If this is 50%, then this will also be 50%, as this is half. Now, junior teachers for GD Goenka, it is again 1/3. 1/3 of 1500 is 500. So, the remaining is 1000. And then 30% for Nirmala. Now, 30% of 2000 is 600. We know this. 100%, 30% of 1000 is 300. So, 30% of 2000 is 600. And if you subtract them, what you get? 1400. So, this is the data you need. Once you have this data, you will be able to solve all the 5 questions. So, let us write this clearly so that we can take the reference of this and solve all the 5 questions. I am not making a table, I am just writing it here so that it is clear. It is 2800. 2400 and this is 3600. Now, the division is senior junior, this is 840 and this is 1960. Similarly, this is 900 and this is 1500. And this is 1600 and 2000. Again male and female. This is female, this is 210, this is male, this is 630, this is female, this is 980. This is male, this is again 980. Am I clear how did we get all the data extracted? Please let me know if you are not clear with it. Again this is female, this is 300 and male is 600. Similarly, female is 500 and male is 1000. Right now, I am just writing the data. Again here it is 640 and 960 and here it is 600 and 1400. Okay, this is the final data we got. Now, let us solve the question. What is it saying? It is saying find the ratio of male senior teacher in DPS to the male senior teacher in Nirmala. DPS senior teacher male, it is this. Again male senior teacher in Nirmala, Nirmala senior teacher male, this is female and this is male. This is female and this is male. Male is 960, 0 0 gone. This is 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja 3 2 ja. So, 21 is to 32. Are we getting this? Yes, option A is the correct answer here. Let us go to the next question, but before that let us see the leaderboard. How many people got this correct? So, 7 people got this correct and 6 wrong. After that let us go to the question number 2. As we have the data, so no need to solve it again. Here, not this, this is to be erased. Keeping the data to be same, let us see. By what percent the senior teacher in GD Goenka are more or less than the junior teacher in GD Goenka? It is asking for both GD Goenka. So, senior teacher in GD Goenka is 900, junior teacher in GD Goenka is 1500. So, by what percent senior teacher is more or less, it is saying. We know senior teacher are less, we can just see the number and we know that senior teachers are less. So, these two options are already eliminated, we have these two options. Now, we need to find by what percent. So, what is the difference between them? You can see it is 600, and what is the point where are we comparing it? It is more or less to the junior teachers in GD Goenka. So, it is 1500. So, it is less than 50%. First, let us approximate it. Can we say it is less than 50%? Yes, as 50% of 1500 would be 750. So, 66% is not the answer, as it is not, this difference is not, is equals to not 750. So, obviously, this is not the answer. We have two options remaining, either it is 40% or neither more nor less. Even this is eliminated. So, what is remaining? B. You can just solve this like this, approximate it, you will get it, or else the conventional way, you get the difference between them, you get 600 divided by the thing you want to compare into 100, what you get is 40%. So, it is 40% less, option B the correct answer. Let us go to the next question. The next question says, find the sum of female junior teachers in GD Goenka and Nirmala together. So, sum of junior teachers, GD Goenka, female junior teachers. So, this is junior teacher, we need the female, this is 500, and female junior teacher for Nirmala, junior teachers Nirmala, female, simply 600 plus 500 is 1100. I am not even solving this, as we already have the data. Let us go to the next question. Find the ratio of total senior teachers to that of total junior teachers. Only thing you need to do is add them, add senior teacher, senior teacher, senior teacher, that is 840 plus 900 plus 1600, and ratio of this to add junior teacher and junior teacher, it is 60 plus 1500 plus 2000. What are we getting? Add them. It is 1600, 1000, that is 2500, 2500 plus again you do 500, what you get is 3340 is to 500, 500 plus 900 is 1400, it is already 60. So, it will be 460 and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is 5, 0, 0 gone. Let us do it with 2 first, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 7 ja, again 2 2 ja 4, 1 2 7 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6. So, the ratio is 167 is to 273. Is this clear? Option A the correct answer. And let us see the leaderboard, how many got this correct? So, 3 people got this correct and 7 wrong. You just need to add up things. Okay, let us go to the 5th question and the last question for this set. Okay, the 5th question says, Find the sum of total number of teachers in all the 3 schools. So, this is very easy, you just need to add 2800 plus 2400 plus 3600. When you add them, what you get is 1200 plus 600 is 2400. So, you get 8800. Option D the correct answer, not option A, this was for the last one. Option D the correct answer. And let us check the leaderboard. 5 people got this correct, sorry 3 people got this correct and 5 wrong. Power cut, oh no problem, you can see in your mobile phone data. Chalo, this was the caslet type, a simple thing required, just extract the data. Now, let us go to the next DI set, and here it is. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, please let me know, is the data clear? If it is not, I will let you know what are the colors marked, which are the states written here or the cities written here. You can just scroll this and you will get the other part of the chart, like here. Please do let me know, is everything clear, as sometimes the chart is not visible. This is Delhi, this is Bhopal, the yellow one is Indore, the green one is Gangtok, and the purple one is Agra. Indore is given 80 degree, Bhopal is given 60 degree. I am just writing this, if it is not clear then let me know, or else you can just see the pie chart and solve this. And Gangtok is 90 degree, I am just writing it for your convenience. Hey people, if anyone is joining now, please you can come to cracku.in/live. Till then let me write this. This is Agra, it is 90%. This is Delhi and given is 60%. Again the red one is Bhopal and given data is of 50%. The yellow one is Indore, data given is 40%, and the green one is Gangtok, and the data given here is 75%. Yeah. Okay, 2 people got this correct and 2 wrong. Come on Pooja, I guess you marked a question wrong. This is a very easy type, you just need to find the data, complete data for the pi is given, just compare it, you will get the answer. Yeah, and the different approach you can use is like we extracted data for all the thing in the caslet one. Here you can just read the question and whatever is asked you can extract the data for that only, rather than doing it for the entire thing. 4 people got this wrong, 5 people got this wrong. Okay, we have Akshaya leading the board. The last 2 minutes. Come on people, come on Akshaya, you are scoring, that means you have cracked you have extracted all the data. The questions are very easy, just solve them. Come on Sai Prasad. Sivakumar, come on. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. Let's see, as this is the final set, and as soon as the time is over, we will decide who is leading the board, who is among the top 3 people who is eligible for IBPS mock test series. Rather, it's an interesting way to learn. Okay, the last question, or the last 1 minute remaining. Final 30 seconds. Okay, now we have a new name in the third position. He is Alvanur Singh. 20 seconds. Let's see, are these 3 names fixed or not? I have just written the data here so that you can get it clearly that what is written here. And the time's up. With this, for the last question, these 2 people who got this correct and 6 wrong. We do have our top 3 leaders, and again they are the fixed name. The first one is Akshaya with score 9. Then comes Aryanth with score 8.75, and then Alvanur with score 3.75. Congratulations people, you are eligible for IBPS mock test series, which will have 25 mock tests both in Hindi and English. तो अगर आपको हिंदी में देना हो आप वो भी जाके दे सकते हैं, और if you want to give it in English you can go and try them. चलो, let's see how do we solve this question. First let me clear everything and the leaderboard. So here we have total number of valid vote in 5 different cities is 45,000, that is 54,000, and obviously there are 5 cities only. So what is the sum of angle of a pie chart? If you add this, that what is this? It is 360 degree. Okay, then can we say adding this 3 you get 360 is equals to 100% in a pie chart, as this is a complete pie chart. So a complete thing of everything makes it 100%. The first thing is this. The other thing, to solve the degree pie chart, what you can do, data for the entire pie chart is given. That means we know what is 360 degree is equals to 54,000. Okay. So, what is 1 degree? Is it 150? Yes, 1 degree is equals to 150. Do we have this? Now, we know Delhi is equals to 70 degree and we know the data for everything. Let us make a table now. We have Delhi, Bhopal, Indore, Gangtok and Agra. I am writing all the initials as all the initials are different. So, what is the valid vote? Delhi we have 70 degree, Bhopal we have 60 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree and 60 degree. We know what is 1 degree? It is 150. So, what is 70 degree? It is just 70 into 150. What is it? It is 10500. Similarly, 150 into 60 is 9000. 150 into 80 is, when you know 150 into 60 is this. So, 150 into 80 is obviously 12,000. I am just multiplying them and writing. We know 6,000, 60 degree is this. We got the number of valid vote. Now, let us see the other chart is given. Percentage of male voters in the given is given in the pie chart. So, this is the percentage of male voters. So, in a population, if you know the male voters, can you find out the female voters? As in the question it is given, only male and female voters are to be considered. If you know the total population, we know the male population, just subtract them, what you get is female. So, yes, definitely we can find the female one too. So, this is the chart we will be getting after solving this. Let us see, the male voter in Delhi is 60%. 60% of what? Is it 60% of entire population, that is 54,000? No, it is 60% of the valid votes in Delhi. So, it is 60% of 10500. What is 60% of this? It is, similarly in Bhopal it is 50%. So, 50% of this is this, and 40% of 12,000 it is 4800. For Gangtok it is 75% of 13,500. So, it is 10125, and again 90% of 90,000 it is 8100, that is 10% less than the 100%. Now, you know the male voter, you know the total valid vote. Either you can do is subtract this and this, or this is given 60%. So, obviously, the female counterpart will be 40%, 40% of 10500, or subtract 10,500 and 6300. What you get is 4200. Again subtract this and this, it is simple. This and this, what you get is 7200. Okay. Subtract this and this, what do you get is 3375, and this is 900. Do we have this table? Once you get this, you are done with the answers. Now, let us see the question. The first question says, okay, where is the first question? Let us get to the first question first. Okay. The first question says, find the ratio of female valid vote between Indore and Bhopal. Where is Indore and Bhopal? Female valid vote, Indore and Bhopal. Just it is 7200 is to 4500. 9 5s are 9 8s are 8 is to 5. Option A the correct answer. The next question, question 2 of this pie chart set. By what percent the number of female valid vote in Agra is more or less than female valid vote in Delhi? So, let us see what is the female valid vote in Agra. Female valid vote in Agra is 900, and then female valid vote in Delhi is 4200. sorry, its male valid vote in Agra, it is 8100 and 4200. So, by seeing this you can say obviously male valid vote in Agra is more than female valid vote in Delhi. So, two options is getting cancelled itself. This one was for the last one, I have marked it A here. Okay, a long question. Okay. So, again you can either approximate it that it is not 100%, so it is less than 100%. So, it can either be 92.8% or none of the above. Even we have this none of the above as an answer. So, we do not know is it none of the above. When do we use none of the above as an answer? So, let us see 8100 and 4200, find the difference. What is the difference? 8100 minus 4200 is 3900. What is the reference point we are taking? We are taking it to be female valid vote in Delhi, that is 4200. So, if you approximate it, then are you getting it 92.85%? Yes. So, what is the answer? Option B is the correct answer. Chalo, let us go to the next question. Find the difference between the number of total valid vote in Delhi and Agra. Very easy, you just don't need to go to male and female, you can get it here only. It is Delhi and Agra. Delhi is this 10500, Agra is 9000. So, first you do is 9000, 10,500 minus 9000 is 1500. So, option C is the correct answer, not this. This is for the last one. Option C is the correct answer. Again the next question. Find the difference between the male valid vote in Gangtok and male valid vote in Bhopal. So, male valid vote in Gangtok, male valid vote, Bhopal, male valid vote. When you subtract this, what do you get? You have 5 at the last. So, you know option is going to be option D the correct answer, as only this has 5 at the last. When you subtract, you will get 5 at the last as a unit place. So, 5625 is the correct answer. And the last question, how do we solve this? Once the data is done, you can solve the question very easily. If Lucknow has 50% more valid vote than Agra, so what is the valid vote in Agra? It is 9000. So, it is having 50% more, that is 150% of 9000. We know 100% is 9000, and what is 50%? It is half, that is 4500. See, I am not using the pen, I am solving it just like that. So, what is 9000 plus 4500? It is 13500. Let us write and see. It is Lucknow is 150% of 9000. It is 13500. What do we need is, we again said number of female in Lucknow, that is female in Lucknow is equal to the number of male in Agra. What is the number of male in Agra? It is 8100. So, what is it is asked? It is saying find the number of male valid vote in Lucknow. We know the female in Lucknow is 8100. We know total people in Lucknow is 13500. Just subtract them, minus 8100. What you get is 5400. So, option E is the correct answer. So, these are the 10 questions done. Let us see how many people got this correct. 6 people got this wrong and 3 correct. Alvanur says, wow, my luck is good, haha, I joined after the first set of question was over. It's your effort, it's your practice. It's not your luck only, it's your hard work. You are good at it, you got the prize. Thanks to you, Akshaya, that you liked it, and hope you all liked it, and if you did, please do like, share and comment, and even press the bell icon, so whenever we come online you can get a notification of that. And do remember, we have live session from Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. daily, and this is a 30 days crash course. for IBPS Clerk exam. In this, we will be covering all the topics from verbal, reasoning, quants. Today we are having quants, that is DI set, that includes double pie chart and Caslet DI. With this, we also provide all the sectional tests for quants, reasoning and all the previous year paper, and make sure exam is nearing, you practice a lot, and even make sure you are practicing you are completing all the previous year paper, and even you are doing mock test daily. Analyze the mock test. Once you do the mock test, analyze